Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to find and check your comment history on TikTok, step by step. This is really helpful if you want to see comments you've posted before, or if you're trying to find a video where you left a comment earlier. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Next, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. On the Settings screen, tap Activity Center. Inside the Activity Center, look for and tap Comment History. Here you'll see a list of comments you've recently posted on TikTok, along with the videos where those comments were made. You can tap on any comment to open the video and view the full conversation. And that's it. That's how you find your comment history on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.